I'm Isaac with PC Mag, and also with every color of the Pixel 9 available. We've got porcelain, we've got obsidian, we've got peony, and we've got wintergreen, otherwise known as pink and green, black and white. These devices are super slick. It's got Google's latest hardware inside. We're talking about the Tensor G4 in here, which means it can do a lot of AI on device thanks to Gemini Nano. That means you don't need to go to the cloud to do all those fun camera tricks or just asking for summaries. These things can do it. Now, the Pixel 9 is $100 more than the Pixel 8, but there's a good reason for that. We're talking more RAM in here. You used to get 8 gigabytes of RAM with the Pixel 8. Now with the 9, you get 12 gigabytes of RAM, which is plenty. As for the cameras on the back, they're also upgraded. We've got a 50 megapixel main shooter and an ultra wide. Those two match the cameras on the Pro. That is some pretty great stuff, and the price, not too bad considering all you get. We're gonna have full reviews of the Pixel 9 when we get a chance. If you've got questions, let us know. I'm Isaac. These are the Pixel 9s, and we'll talk to you later.